What is that? Sunshine? Can't be right. Wow. What's going on, guys? Finally get a little nice weather. I'm gonna take the Trailblazer, which now has a tag and past emissions. Which oh, sorry about that. I'll talk about that for just a minute because I was actually pretty worried about getting the emissions test because I did a mass airflow delete and running a speed density tune. And some states will allow you to have some ghost codes and some won't. Now ghost code is like basically I've got 2 permanent engine codes for my mass airflow sensor, but the engine light doesn't come on. You can tune it in a certain way to where, you know, the codes are there, but they're not active. So, but anyway, I didn't have any problems with past emissions right off the rip. So it's good news for people in Georgia. Georgia will let you do it. On forums, they were saying a lot of states won't allow that, so I was concerned about it. But everything seems to be doing really good. So I'm gonna do a cold start right quick, and then we'll go for a little ride. Start the scanner up. I'm about to end up doing a different muffler on here because it's not very loud. Go to the track, you can't even hear it run compared to other people's songs. Got my heavy cover off right now. Out on the road, go drive around a little bit. Alright, so we're just kind of cruising around in traffic a little bit. Now all I'm really doing is part throttle pulls right now. Started to do a pull a minute ago and almost took off right in front of a sheriff. That wouldn't have been good. Yeah! That was probably about maybe a third throttle. Got slammed in the back by a bunch of wheels. Really like the noise. cars. I've had a couple in the past. This thing's completely different. It's like a turbo mix. I mean, obviously it's like a turbo mix with a regular supercharger because, you know, it's basically a belt-driven turbo if you really get down to it. And so I mean, just as soon as you hit the gas, I mean, it's there. It's just pretty neat how quick it comes in. So this thing seems to be driving really good. I don't have much room to get on it much. I think this whole time I've never even gone over, I think my data log showed 3,600 RPMs. So, and probably not even half throttle, except for one time. Fast the boost comes in. Like I said, this is my first time ever having a Procharger. I'm pretty impressed. I can definitely see why a lot of people are hesitant to go with a Procharger, and I can also see why the people that have usually stick with them. So, or centrifugal chargers in general, because there's a few of them out there. Anyway, we'll get back to the house here, and I don't know if there's really anything else to go over right now. I've had several people, keep turning the camera. I've had several people that keep asking me for updates on this thing on Facebook and on Instagram, a couple comments on YouTube, and honestly, the weather's been so bad, it's been raining so much that I haven't really been able to do anything. So this is basically, you know, I wasn't even really planning on making a video like this originally. I just wanted to wait till I went to the dyno. I wanted to give you guys an update, drive around a little bit, because I kind of realized that I haven't really driven around with this thing. So figured y'all might enjoy seeing it go for a ride, and you know, get an idea of how it's running and everything, and then like I said, once I get it to the dyno, we're gonna get the methanol dialed in, and I think the fueling and the timing and everything's pretty close. But obviously, once the methanol goes in, and also there's no E85 in here yet. I'm still on 93 pump gas, so there's definitely going to be a lot of turning up. We're going to be able to add a lot of timing, so we'll just have to see how it goes on the dyno. I wonder what the two-step does. Let's see if everything explodes. I'd like to see the belt tensioner. Let's see. I don't remember what I got that set at. I'm gonna have to probably turn that up, see how much boost it's making. It's probably not too bad for a launch. Wow, looked like it was about 4 PSI. That'd probably be pretty decent for a launch. I wonder what it does in gear. Let's see. Put it in gear. Hit the two-step.